Cisco.
This summer I'ma do with you mindless. Everything I do is you mindless. But rolling up big, but calling up big. They love to watch us pop. Shoot the big, shoot the big, oh, shoot the big, shoot the big. My niggas in it, so shoot the big, shoot the big, oh, everything.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on out the Mud family? Good morning, good morning. Today we got a video shoot with Lil Cisco and PAB. Let me see that. So it's early in the morning and I have to get some brakes done on the Jeep. The rotaries turned. Still be done to make it to the video shoot for 5 o'clock. Then I have something else after the video shoot. It's gonna be a long day, but y'all ride with me today. I'm gonna give y'all some behind the scenes. Let y'all holler at Cisco, PAB, Midnight, PKO, Nino, all the people over there that's gonna be at the video shoot. But right now, I'm waiting on my dad so we can get these brakes done on the Jeep, these 26s. The Jeep is dirty, but we about to get it done. So we waiting on Pops. You see the zombie over there. So get back with y'all in a minute, man. Waiting on Pops. Let's get it done. See y'all later. Pops ain't made it yet, and I still gotta change. I forgot I had to change these battery cables. I need to clean up under my hood. I usually keep all this stuff pretty clean, but I get back to it. I've been busy, man. But we gonna change these battery cables while I still wait on Pops. He be moving slow, man. Slow. I got this video shoot at 5 with Lil Cisco, PAB, and Midnight Productions and all of them. It's already 10, 11 o'clock, I think. Pops ain't here yet. But stay tuned. We gonna get this thing right. Got Pops over here helping me with these brakes. He finally made it, y'all.
Don't show him my hair.
Well, it took him 2 hours and 33 minutes and 46 seconds.
Oh, that's messed up.
2 hours, 33 minutes, 46 seconds to drive 15 minutes. Man.
I thought we got Waterburger and everything else before I got here.
I ain't see no Waterburger trash. Where is
Look in
it?
the front seat.
Let's see. He said he stopped and got him something to eat. We supposed to show find out. Cause it took him forever. Oh, he ain't lying. He ain't lying. You ain't bring me none?
That shit cost me $11.
Shit, Waterburger high. We know it's $11. I guess he did stop and get something to eat, but do that take 2 hours, 33 minutes, and 46 seconds?
My blessed head. I think somebody threw my cap away.
Do that take 2 hours, 33 minutes, and 46 seconds?
That's what it takes. Especially when you sit down and eat, you gotta eat before you go to work.
Okay. All right, y'all. Well, we'll try to get this stuff done. We still got the video shoot for 5. We're pushing for time.
Where you shooting at?
At Midnight Productions, me, Cisco, and PAB.
What time?
5 o'clock.
I see my shit up and right out there.
It's right up the street. It's right on 2920. You hear me?
Yeah.
They go to the lot.
It is a lot. How much ain't sitting there?
There you go. All right, y'all. Let me help this old man because we both got back problems, so. Always something, man. My people at the shop gave me the wrong thing, and now I can't get these lugs off. Y'all really can't tell how big my rims are when they on the Jeep. I'm finna show y'all how big these rims and tires are. They ain't big as Corey's or nothing like that in 30s, but you'll see how big they are. Hold up. Y'all see them rims on the Camaro? Them 22s. Y'all see that? These tires big, man. They come up to my hip almost. See how big they look on the Suburban. Damn. See, y'all see how big them look? I can say, I think, if not in general, at least in Houston, in Texas, I was the first one to put 26s on a Jeep. I've been having this Jeep for a long time. It's just been sitting in the garage. I just started driving it every day like last year. These 26 has been on this Jeep since 2012 or 13. If anybody got a receipt to say they had 26s before, they let me know. I think I was the first one though, especially in the city. I know I was the first one in the city. Get back with y'all. What you doing? Just like them kids. All on social media and stuff.
Man, just on key. Look.
Nah, we got them off
this what Phil text me. So wait till me, you'll give me $50 clean the pit tomorrow. He trying to
Your
talk
phone
back
messing up.
He trying to talk back to me. Cause I got on there.
My brakes was out of there, man. Look at that.
Oh, but look at the nose.
That's the old brake. This the new brake. See that thickness? See the difference? How thick that is? That's thin. And I know better, but I haven't been driving the Jeep every day though lately.
So if you need a brake job put on your car, call me. Need that.
What's the number?
832-886-3147.
All right. That's my pops, man. And he taxing me to do this too. That's what's crazy.
Let me get in my truck and drive off. I tell you what, even that deer while it's dry, now I can get a drink, a free one.
See that? He come do it. Still got to pay the man, drink for free, everything. Give him that IPA today. You want a cup?
Yeah, this one of them there, I tell you, you better not drink but one, because I guarantee you gonna feel it.
All right, y'all, we're gonna try to get this done so I can start getting prepared for this video shoot.
Yeah, I'm waiting on paint to dry. It's on yet.
I redid my brake calipers real quick, so he's saying I'm wet.
Ooh. That got a different taste.
All right, y'all, do it, y'all. Chill.
Talk to me. Handyman. Man, some of this shit, we just gotta talk about it, but don't read about it. Northside, H-Town. Fly like an eagle kid. I'm back up in some legal shit.
Just for this.
Yeah. Time is steady clicking and ticking. See how I look? Cisco done already text me. Cisco done already text me about being up for 5 o'clock. Woo, it's 12.
I should call Cisco and tell him to watch Mr. Burger. Cisco says, you're there, man. It's hot and it's watering.
Let's see if I get Cisco on the three-way. I mean on the speaker. Call it Cisco.
Calm down, Black.
What it do, Black? I got you on the vlog right now. I'm getting my brakes done real quick.
Yeah, we have to fire, man. We can be here because the girls only gonna be there an hour.
Okay. Y'all got Cisco on the phone. We're doing a video shoot later, everybody. So y'all will see Cisco later. And don't forget, what video you got out already, Cisco?
That humongous.
Already. So we'll get back with y'all, man. We'll see Cisco at 5 o'clock. Y'all stay tuned. Pops just got the, we just got the brakes and stuff put on. Got to put the caps back on there. Got to make sure everything all right.
Yeah, the battery thing.
Oh, damn. Still got to do the battery thing. So, never mind. We ain't done. I thought we was done. All right. So, probably about 1:30, hopefully we be done with everything. And, I can start getting ready for the video shoot. And, we'll be behind the scenes today with the video shoot. So,
All right.
all right, y'all. We'll get back.
Hey, this all your stuff.
Jumped out of gear. Because you ain't doing it right. You know what first gear is, right? Man, he can't even put it in first gear.
It's in first gear.
First, second, third,
This
fourth.
first up here.
All right, Dad. Let's see if you try it again.
I'm getting off the clutch too fast.
I don't know. Just ease. Take your time. You don't got to do it that slow. Man, that boy, they'll tear my clutches up. Well, we got to go back to the auto parts because, wow.
Because you need back brakes. You need front and back brakes. I did the front, but I tell you what, we're going to get it done. Because we Meechie.
Keep it Meechie. So, more money, more time. Get off my curve.
I am like
You said that one over here? Jeez. Oh, they got these vents closed. Who got the vents closed?
Why don't be closing that? There's no red in here. Let me fix this red out. There you go.
All right, y'all. We on our way to the auto parts. What time is it? It is 1 o'clock. It's gonna take us to about 2:30 to get it done. And I gotta hurry up and do some stuff for the video shoot before I get up there. And then hopefully I could be there for 5. They doing brakes too.
Yeah, I'll try them.
Shocks or something.
I tried them $100
All right, y'all. Well, this is part of my day. This is a typical off day for me. When I'm not driving 18-wheelers, I'm doing everything else in the book. It's going to either be for my mama, my daddy, my grandmother, the house, cousins, everybody. I love you, mama. I know you're going to be like, Oh, they got their tops off in the Jeep.
Well,
They just passed by, but Houston been raining every day for 3
I was
weeks.
trying to get a top like this here in this one.
My homeboy
On
do
the
sunroof,
side.
but he go charge it.
No, but I want to keep this and go
Oh.
around it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
It's this way?
yeah. Go to Old Raleigh. So I'm Papa Tony. That's Papa Bell. It's hot, man. All right, y'all.
Yeah. Oh, they got the air on the back where your neck at. It's printed the other way.
Oh yeah, that ain't no good. I should have kept my Suburban.
I'm not ready to sell this one.
Let me buy it. I can buy it. Y'all hear it right here. What? Can I buy it?
I'm selling for $5,000.
Yeah, somebody else gonna love this Suburban.
Oh, Keith ordered me the see out of my seat tub. He ordered me the cover with the cushion come with it. You put on it, you put it over it like a new one.
Yeah. Oh man. All right, y'all.
It's all right. It's gonna be a good day at the.
Oh yeah. So we ain't even made it to the video shoot yet. This whole vlog was mostly basically off the behind the scenes of the video shoot, but woke up and had to get brakes, heard a weird noise. Still hear a weird noise. That's how I know I need back brakes. Haven't even touched my hair up. I mean, it's kind of cut, but I was gonna try to freshen it up. Still have to go to my cousin duck gathering. I haven't seen him since he been home from Street Dudes vacations. You know what I mean? So I got to go see him. And I been busy since early this morning.
At least I had a Whataburger breakfast.
And I ain't had nothing.
I got some leftover in that bag.
For who? See, y'all see where I get my jokes from, man? He a whole character, man.
Got a half a burger now.
So you didn't eat all your food?
Double meat with cheese.
I don't think it's double meat, because if you ate half of it, it's half of meat. All right, get back with y'all. Chill. now we at the tire shop. You need to get your tire changed, huh?
Yeah, I got it flat. Going from one car to another.
Man,
All good.
I'm telling you, boy, it's rough. It's rough. We're gonna make it to this video shoot on time.
Oh yeah.
What time is it? It's
Hot out here.
It's 1:45. We ain't gonna do the back brakes today. He gonna do them tomorrow. Cause we sure ain't gonna have time to do that. But
Nah,
we gonna get back.
like the day we off, we got more to do.
I know, right? I'm gonna get back, get some stuff situated, try to get prepared for this video shoot, and then I will show you guys behind the scenes at the video shoot. PAB, Lil Cisco, myself, Midnight, whoever else gonna be there. We'll show y'all behind the scenes. This vlog's supposed to have been about the video shoot. You see where it's at. Dealing with cars all day.
That lady left me, you know what I mean?
Do it one more time, Blake. Put that, Blake. What we got going on?
I mean, we here shoot the motherfucking video of the ass, nigga Cisco, nigga Low T. You know what I mean? Just working, man. We trying to get back in the road of things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cisco, what it do?
Hey, what's up, baby? Yeah, I'm just doing my thing, man. You know what I'm talking about? Grinding and shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Fucking my nigga Glacier, man. C-Cowway, Low T, you know what I'm talking about? Single ass, you know what I'm talking about? Got these girls shaking ass and doing their thing, man. You know what it is, man.
So you keeping it Meechie too, huh?
Oh, man, you know I keep it Meechie, nigga. I gotta keep it Meechie, nigga. Meechie, keep it away, nigga. Better be a Meechie deal. Fuck Versace, fuck Polo, fuck all that, nigga. You ain't Meechie, you ain't player, nigga.
Yeah.
Already.
Come here, Cisco. Hit that. I'm just trying to hit it. Right there when he touches first. But tonight with me, she throwing cash. Show the shit that teamwork. She said teamwork makes that dream work. I said let's throw this ridiculous money so we can see a humongous ass work. Both of us lifting the man. She got us both like ooh wee. I'm taking shots to Hennessy. I'm toasting to that booty. Lil' mama, she super fine. She could probably make a meal up in the day. I told her the way that she performed, that ass should be on Broadway. Shorty left it drop it slow. I told her that she is a star. She got me playing with a G-string like that might get played with a good star. By far, she's super fine. By far, she's getting cash. By far, she should win the Grammy for the way she performed with all that ass. So pop it, drop it, shorty, won't you don't just get low. She got me feeling like it is a tip drill video. Let's go. Already.
Last video shoot, man. We can't wait. Glacier Mac, man. You know what I'm talking about? Big time, man. Stay tuned, man. Nigga got no shit, man.
Yes, sir. Let me get over here and see what they working with. Glacier Mac in the building. Behind the scenes. We need to go get us something to drink, man.
I know. I need something to drink.
Me too.
Go ahead, bro. What do you want? I go get it right now.
Shit, I go get it if that's the case. It don't matter to me.
Yeah.
The man with the plan right here, man. Looking real good.
I got about 5 cameras now.
What's this?
Want to go get something to drink? Then you want me to go. You bring me whatever.
Shit, let me ask him if I'm good to go. If I'm good to go.
Well, he's gonna be here for a little while.
Yeah.
He's gonna be here with them for a little while.
Got them boys out here. What y'all just got through doing, man?
Man, shooting video, man, to that ass, man. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, man. Work. That's all we can do, man.
Hey, it been a long time since all three of us been together too, man.
You sure right, too.
Keep it in.
Man, that,
In like a motherfucker.
yeah, man. So we all out here, man. We just did the ass song. Let me see that. PAD, Lil Cisco, Low TT Callaway, man. We just Glacier Mac.
You know what I'm saying?
Glacier.
PAB, they only call me PAB if you grew up with me, you know what I'm saying? So that's how you know. You know what I'm saying? This from the mud right here.
Yeah.
But, y'all motherfuckers call me Glacier, you know?
Straight
Glacier
up.
motherfucking Mac. You know, I don't change. I'm Cisco.
Huh.
And I don't advise you hoe ass niggas not trying to play me like a silly bitch. Oh, you know what I'm talking about?
Man, we out here, man, keeping Meechie, man. You know what I mean? We got, and then my boy got his own shoes too. Hold up, let me show them. Oh yeah, I like that. Our whole team, we do everything different, but we all try to win together. You know what I mean? Everybody got something going on personally, and you already know we just try to network, keep moving. Cisco coming out with a new album. PAB always brings some heat.
I'm gonna come with something real soon. I've been bullshitting, but I'm gonna give the people what they want.
And then I ain't even gonna lie, Cisco album so hard, it done motivated me. So I'm gonna be dropping a new album called History of a Hustler, man. It's coming soon, y'all stay tuned. Jill,
Yeah, y'all stay tuned for my platform too, Music Flicks. It's gonna
show me
change
that
the
out.
culture.
Show me that out. Show me
It's
that
gonna
out.
change
Hold
the
up,
culture.
man.
It's gonna change the culture, man.
Show that out, man. We gotta keep this 100. Cisco out here making moves, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Calling shots. They don't even know the history
Change
of
the
some of y'all,
culture, man.
Look that out, man.
We got movies, we got music videos, live TV, radio, whatever you want on there, man. Whatever. Look at that.
Real quick. I want them to give me some history real quick, just so y'all, I know a lot of y'all on these new age, that's cool, but man, these boys been in the game for a minute. See, I'm about to say PAB again, Glacier Mac. Give me a little history. What you been on, man? I mean, what have you done, man?
Shit, man. I've done a lot of work, man. I mean, I've done tours from here to, man, I've done about 5 tours, you know, throughout the South. You know what I mean? I got albums that have done about 100K in numbers, you know what I'm saying? You know, I've done songs with Slim Thug, Pimp, done songs with, Be Legit. Now, I've done songs with a lot of people, man. I don't even remember the names. It's been
So long ago, man.
Goddamn.
Decades ago, man.
Decades, man. 15, 20 years, bro. Like, this shit deep, man.
Yeah.
I've been off the scene for about 7 years, but I'm gonna come back, man. I'm gonna hit y'all boys hard. Wait till this flavor hit y'all, man.
Straight
Real
up.
flavor.
Know
what I'm talking about?
Jill.
Be looking for beats by Glacier too. I make them beats also. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Fuck with me. Know what I'm talking about?
Cisco.
Man, boy, I don't know where to start, man. Gorilla Grinding mixtape series, man. Lil Troy, Lil Raw, Pimp C, R.I.P., Be Legit. Know what I'm saying?
ESG.
ESG. Man. So many niggas, man. Rich Boy. So many niggas, man.
Hold up, man. That ain't it. Hold up. You was on all the hood hustle. You too.
Yeah.
Y'all was. We all was on the hood hustle. Pastor Troy. The Young Jeezy and you remember?
SSC.
Yeah, man. Hold up. There's so many of them, man. It's a lot of history right here that y'all don't even understand. Y'all be seeing people y'all be seeing people. PKO Nino. Y'all be seeing people. Y'all really don't even be knowing the history. Like this, not to try to step on no toes, but it's a lot of history between these guys, man, and myself. These boys done did a lot of stuff with a lot of y'all favorite H-Town or down south Louisiana rappers, man. What's the people from Louisiana?
You talking about
that's right.
coming with
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It's a lot of stuff, man. So we just got through doing the video shoot, and what? That's a wrap.
It's almost a wrap, man. We got a couple more scenes, but we, gonna wrap it up soon.
Jill.
You know what I mean? Cisco trying to bell on us, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he's trying to ride out.
He orchestrates this shit, you know what I'm saying? They bring me way from San Antonio. I'm from the Tone, you know what I'm saying? I'm down here in the H.
Wait.
People,
We look up. Cisco damn near about to pull off in the car like, where you going? Where you going?
He good too.
No, I gotta treat the motherfuckers to eat, man, so I ain't going nowhere, man.
So shit, you gotta let us know just in case we wanna go eat, you know what I mean? Straight up. So we'll get back with y'all. This not the end of the vlog. But we'll get back with y'all. Keeping Meechie, man. Cisco is keeping it Meechie. Glacier Mac. You know what I mean? He got them customs. And that's how it go down. How y'all doing, ladies?
Hi.
So what we just got through doing?
Your video shoot.
Well, all of our video shoot. Yeah. Thank y'all for coming out.
Thank you.
Thank y'all for being part of the video. So thank y'all. These beautiful ladies was in the video today. Thank y'all. Alright. Everybody doing good? Good. End of the video shoot?
Yes.
Glacier. End of the video?
End of the video. We wrapping this thing up.
It's a wrap.
Y'all stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
Glacier in your motherfucking mouth, man. Give me your motherfucking mainframe. Y'all get the picture. GMX, YZ, and all that.
Midnight, man. Let them know what you do, man.
Hey, fucking badass shoot today, man.
What I'm saying.
Good in. Y'all ever need a video, y'all holler at me. You know what I'm saying? Send me y'all phone, my email address, and then we'll get it going.
What's your email address?
Editorbeats@yahoo.com, and hopefully it'll be in the subtitle.
What's another way they can get in contact?
Give me a call at 832-800-1895.
Already. Cisco in here.
Man, you already know what's going
Got a new album coming, right?
Yes, man. Yes,
What's the new album called?
A motherfucker called Born Broke, Dying Rich.
Already.
You know what I'm talking about?
Beautiful ladies was out here again, y'all. So tell everybody bye. Alright. Yeah.
Doing back here, I guess the system always bring me back here. You know that. They didn't even get my